Imagine cloning your best sales rep and building an all-star team with them. And then free them from all the admin work so they can focus on selling. You are imagining Closius, a powerful AI sales coach and assistant that transforms every rep into a top performer. Closius connects to your CRM, sales docs, and other work apps to understand your deals and you personally as a seller, bringing just the right info about deals and key insights to help the seller prep for a sale in just a few seconds. During your sales calls, Closius becomes a powerful companion, providing real-time tips, insights, and personalized coaching based on the conversation. After the call, head to the Closius web app for the call summary, action items, a full analysis and metrics at both the seller and the deal. That valuable data is used to track seller performance and deliver personalized tips and feedback based on company sales strategy and training. The result? Countless hours saved for both sales leader and seller, better execution across teams, and more wins. Ready to turn every seller into a star? Then join our private preview. Visit Closius.ai, limited spots available.